Why do we have to come to the fidget spinner store? Because I want my brother to get something. Come on, Mom. Don't be a party pooper. Okay. These are the rare fidget spinners on here. Okay, thank you. Oh, it's the fidget spinner store.
Oh, I can't wait. I love fidget spinners. Mom,
Maybe we should. What fidget spinner thing? These are. Welcome to the fidget spinner stores. These are the rare ones that I have on here with me.
can I see them?
Yes.
How much are the rare ones?
5,000. I mean, 500.
500. I wish I could get all 3 of those.
Ooh.
This one's actually rare, Stacey. Ooh.
Kylie. Okay, well, I'm gonna look at the. I'm just gonna sit down right here, cause I'm not interested in fidget spinners. So I have to be with your brother. Okay. Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Oh, I love them all, Mom. Can I get all of them? I wish you can. When it's your birthday, you can get all of them. Yes! But you can only get a couple right now. Okay, Mom. I love you. You're the best. Ooh, I'm going to look at the rare ones. Ooh, those are pretty. Ugh. I just don't want to buy any. Ooh, how much do they cost? They cost 500 each.
How much are the other ones?
Okay, I'll tell you though. Which one? Just show me the color. Okay, that one is $100.
Okay.
No, wait, you get three fidget spinners for $100. Okay.
Okay.
One. Okay, I just have all 3 of them and they're for 100, right? Oh, yes. Haha, I beat y'all. Mommy, I got my fidget spinners. Okay. Which ones do you want? This one? This one?
Okay, I'm ready to check out.
And this one. Okay, how much are you going to get? Okay, let me go get some shells. Okay. That'll be $100.
Here you go.
Here you go, 1. Here you go. 2. Here you go, 3. Bye. How about right there with your fidget spinners?
You too.
Come on, hurry up.
And
$100, Marty pants. Here you go. Bye. Bye. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell. If you press the notification bell, you'll be notified every single time I post a new video like this one.